So we went up to Idaho last week and we went to a pretty bomb barbecue place, and I was putting together that video because it was featured on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. But the UPS man came, and I've been waiting for this package since January. So check it out. We're going to unbox this right now. So what I ordered was my first ever Tony Hawk board, and I got 2 of them. Super stoked to get this. It's actually the 12th reissue since they've been doing the reissues. I ordered it on January 21st. They were supposed to ship April 1st, but because of COVID, major shipping delays, manufacturing delays, everything finally came today. Back in the day, I always wanted a Tony Hawk board, but could never find it. I think I saw one time in the store, and it was the hot pink one. Because I had skated with Lance Mountain, I decided to get the Lance instead. I like that board as well. But my first ever Tony Hawk. I mean, he's internationally known, world famous, right? Tony Hawk Pro Skater, Police Academy, New Guy. How many movies, video games, everything has he been in? Still one of the best skaters on the planet. And he's, what, 50? So, very stoked to get this. So, I'm probably going to save them both. I don't think I'm going to put one of these together. I'd like to keep one pristine in its package and then put another one on the wall. So, very stoked. I'm going to be putting together another video with all my Powell boards and some of my other old school reissues. So stay tuned for that video. Also, I'm just reaching a milestone on my YouTube channel. So please like and subscribe to my channel. More great videos to come, not just skateboard stuff, but mountain biking, national parks, diners, drive-ins, and dives, some how-to, we do vinyl graphics, and also installs and things like that. So please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.